How to fix cannot create page. You have created too many pages in short time. Facebook page creating problem. So if you're facing a problem while creating a Facebook page, then what you need to do is the first thing you need to do is just check your internet connection and make sure that you've not created too many pages. And if you've created, just wait for a few minutes. Or in some cases, you can simply go and wait for a few days or just 24 hours. And once you waited, then you can again go with the Facebook creating page and your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply open up your Facebook application, go with the upper right which has that 3-bar icon and tap on settings and privacy. Tap on settings. Under your settings, you just need to simply scroll down and you will need to find the report a problem option. If you don't have it right here, then it will be right here under your help. So go with help and support and tap on report a problem and tap on continue to report a problem. And it might take a few seconds to create a report page. So just wait. And once it takes you to this kind of page, just simply tap on don't include, scroll all the way down and you may find a report problem, or you just need to simply go and select a product. So in your case, you just need to simply go and select the page option, tap on pages. And after that, you will get this kind of interface where you just need to simply go and describe your issue. So you just need to simply write, "Hi, Facebook team. I'm facing a problem with creating a Facebook page. And please help me with that problem." And once you've done that, you can also upload some screenshots by going for upload from phone, and then you can add some screenshots and go with send, which is on the upper right. And once you've sent, you might get some help from Facebook team. So that's how you can fix cannot create page. You have created too many pages. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.